Hello everybody and welcome back. In the last video we talked about how to use Docker to create images and then run those images locally and tag those images. In this video we're going to talk about pushing those images up to Docker Hub so we can use those images with Kubernetes. So Kubernetes, unlike Docker Compose, has no way to build images. So you need to pre-build those images, deploy them to Docker Hub, and then you have Kubernetes call those images from your Docker Hub. So in this video, we're going to actually create public repositories, but I'll show you how to do it with private repositories. You'll need to basically encode your Docker stuff into a secret and then pass that secret into Kubernetes. Okay, so let's go ahead and log in. So the first thing we need to do is use Docker login, and it'll ask for our username. So for us, for me, that is this value right here. And then it'll ask for my password, which I will type in quickly here. Okay. Then we'll get this image here that says login successful. So you can go ahead if you want to go to your config.json and take a look at that file and see what's in there. But basically it stores your credentials for Docker. So now we have the ability to push stuff up. So let's go ahead and do that. So see my account here doesn't have any images. So we need to push those images. But what I'm going to do, instead of just directly pushing it, I actually want to create a deploy file. And the reason behind that is then I can set an environment variable and push up the latest version of our application, but also a tag every time we make changes to the application. So we need to go back one here, and we need to make this a Git repository. So we'll do git init. We will add these projects to our folder. Git add a, git commit, first commit, and we need to go into our git ignore. We already add those two. So git config use global user.email. In this case, we're just going to use this one. So we're going to we use my actual at gmail.com git config global user.name is new. There we go. We need to recommit, first commit. There we go. And then we need to go into my GitHub account. Oops. GitHub. Like so. We're going to sign in using my credentials. Is it? Maybe it's this one. Okay. Hold on a second. I'm on a VM, so. There we go. I forgot my own password. Okay. So let's go into my profile here. We're going to create a new repository. We're going to call this, you know what, I think this actually was the one I created before. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and use this one. This works. So I will post this repo on GitHub for you guys, on the YouTube channel for you guys. So we're going to paste that in, and then we're going to say git push -u origin master. And now we need to put in my username and password. Okay. And there we go. All the code's up there. Now, the reason why we did this is so we can use git for version control. So I want to show you guys a really cool little command here. So we're going to do echo git rev parse head, like so. You'll see it echoes out our current git SHA. So the nice part about that is every time you make changes, you get essentially a version for your application. So we're going to use that to build out our deploy script. So let's go ahead and create a deploy script. So we'll do it actually in our scripts folder. So we'll create a new folder here, deploy dev.sh. We need to change the permissions on that file. So change Mod make it executable. Scripts. Tab. Okay. Come into here and we'll say it's bin bash, and then we're going to set a environment variable here. So if it doesn't exist, the variable SHA, then let's see here. Then we're going to say SHA is equal to get rev parse head in that statement, and then we'll end our if statement. Okay, now you can push up. So we're going to say docker build. I'm going to build our, let's see. Do we have Docker files for our clients yet? No, we're going to just do our Echo servers for now. And I don't think that's what has Docker one yet. Okay, we're just going to do Echo 1 Echo server for now. So build. So before we had used the -t for tag, right? So it's going to be our name of our account. So this, in this case here, it's going to be our Echo server 1 with the tag of latest. And for us, we're going to use dev. I'm going to use the file echo servers echo 1, and we're going to use our dev for our dev build, so docker file.dev. And then we also need to use our SHA as well. So we'll do our SHA. Okay. And then we need to do echo servers echo 1, because that's the directory we want to use. And then echo 1, like so. Then we need to do docker push. We're going to push up this one right here. And then we're also going to push up this one right here as well. Okay, and now we can go ahead and run this. So we'll say scripts deploy dev. Okay, and then it builds using our context, right? And then now, unplug my laptop. And now it'll push up. So give it just a minute here. I'm going to pause the video because this actually takes a little bit of time. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, and it has completed. So let's go ahead and go over to our Docker Hub. We will reload. And here's our new service that we built. So we come into our tags over here, and we'll see that we have the latest dev tag and also our SHA tag here. So let's go ahead and oh, why is my date off? That is very interesting. Well, well. This is off here because of the date. It's actually December 10th today. I don't know why. I'm actually in a VM right here, so probably something to do with the VM. Anyway, so let's go ahead and change something. So we'll say git add, git commit, another commit, git push origin master, and we will add our credentials in here like so. Okay. Then we'll repush again using our deployed script. It's going to build, use a different tag because the tag's now different. You'll see how it has that 94C right there, and this is actually 95F. Okay, then come over here and refresh, and you'll see we have our old tag here with the -F and our new tag with the C, but the latest is the exact same as this tag here. So you see, we always got to keep our old one down here. It'll build and build and build, but we get our latest tag as well. So we can always just ask for the latest, but also have version control tags as well tied to GitHub. So pretty dang cool, I think. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and that is kind of a quick tutorial on how to use GitHub and Docker Hub to have production-ready images. All right, see you guys in the next video.